How to discover restaurants and cafes using Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, allow it so the app can show posts and stories from nearby users accurately. Once the map opens, you will see markers representing posts and stories shared by people in your area. Move around the map to explore different neighborhoods or areas of the city to find restaurants and cafes. Tap on any marker to view the post or story in full screen. Posts from tagged location often include images of meals, cafes or restaurant interiors, helping you get an idea of the place before visiting. You can also see what other users are saying about these spots through captions and comment. This feature is perfect for discovering trending restaurants, hidden cafes or popular local spots. By exploring the Instagram map, you can plan outing, try new food places and stay updated on the latest local hotspot. Now you know how to discover restaurants and cafes using Instagram map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.